If you've been scrolling late at night, kid finally asleep, brain half fried, and you stumble across Honest FBA promising Amazon can change your life, you're not alone. So today I'm doing a real breakdown of Honest FBA, but I'm also going to show you why this is not the smartest Amazon path for parents who need quick wins and low mental load, and why there's a simpler, more family-friendly way to make more money using Amazon. So most Amazon gurus teach the same formula. Buy a course, pick a product, order a ton of inventory, and cross your fingers. You have to fight ads, fight suppliers, and Amazon fees until something sticks. Parents see this and think, I can barely get my toddler to eat a banana. How am I supposed to private label a garlic press? So if you love the idea of using Amazon, but you want low cost, low risk, no inventory, no suppliers, no customer service, something you could do with your kids and a business you can scale easily in your spare time, there's a way better Amazon path for parents, and it's called Children's Book Publishing Formula. It's the best program I've seen for parents, and why this works way better for moms and dads is that there's zero inventory, there's no upfront orders, there's no pallets, no shipping, no Amazon receiving issues. You are creating the product and you can do it in 48 hours. You can do it in a weekend. Your kids can help you with the ideas, the characters, or even the illustrations, which would be cool. And each book you publish is compounding passive income. It becomes another digital product that continues to earn money even when you're not working. You're not dealing with clients and suppliers and Amazon issues. You're just building your own income stream by writing children's books. It also fits the time block style of parenting. Brainstorm book ideas in the carpool line, edit pages after bedtime, upload to Amazon while dinner's in the oven. You also don't need 10K in inventory and ads. You don't need months of supplier back and forth. It's the simplest, most realistic way for parents to make money through Amazon without the stress and startup costs of FBA. And honestly, it just aligns way more with our Raising Freedom mission, which is more income, less stress, and more time with your kids. So let's break the rules today by looking at Honest FBA through a parent lens, not a hustle until 2 a.m. lens. So Amazon FBA is a coaching program teaching you how to private label products and sell them on Amazon. So basically, you find products on Amazon, and then you go through the steps to sell them on Amazon. So you're the Amazon seller and you get a commission every time somebody buys one of your products. It sounds like a really cool business, but I've actually tried this business before. It's really hard. A lot of people are doing this. It's hard to find a good product. It's hard to make an Amazon listing. It's hard to get your product at the top of the page. It's hard to even get your product on page number 1. And if you've ever shopped on Amazon, like all of us have, you pretty much know that nobody usually ventures past page 1. Nobody usually ventures even like scrolling down to the bottom of page 1. So for your products to actually sell, you have to get them to the top of page 1 of Amazon, which means you're competing against every other person on Amazon who's selling that product. It's really hard to do that. But that's what these guys are teaching, and if you're willing to trial and error and really get rejected and probably not see profit for a while until you really learn like the best products and how to have the best listing and how to get reviews and all of that stuff, this can be a very lucrative business. So what's included in this training? You get step-by-step Amazon private label training. You have access to a community and the coaches. You get checklists, research tools, a bunch of done-for-you tools. You get some calls with their team. They teach you how to brand, source, ship, and launch a product on Amazon. It's definitely not a scam, but it's also not magic. It's a big multi-step business model that takes a lot of work and a lot of time to be successful at. However, on that note, there are a lot of good Trustpilot reviews about this course. Tons of 5-star ratings praising the community, the clarity, the coaches, and the support. So even if people aren't making a ton of money with this, they're definitely getting good coaching and good support, and that means a lot. A lot of people on the Trustpilot reviews said that the coaching and the support really kept them accountable through the scary parts. So that's really cool. They are getting good support. They're getting good coaching. The negative reviews on this course are talking about the high upfront cost, ranging anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000, depending on how much coaching you want and all of their upsells that they offer, which is probably things like software and one-on-one coaching and things like that. People also have left bad reviews about the refund policies, and they talk a lot about feeling overwhelmed by the complexity of FBA, which I can attest to. It is not a simple business model. But these types of reviews are not unique to Honest FBA. They're common to all private label valuable Amazon courses. And this matters for parents, especially because if something requires customer service, inventory management, supplier timelines, and Amazon ads, it becomes a full-blown job fast, even if the coaching is solid. Most people think from the sales pages and the marketing that Amazon FBA is the easiest way to start making money on Amazon. But it's actually one of the hardest, most capital heavy ways to start. Why? Because you need inventory, you need ads, you need cash for samples and testing and reviews. The ads bleed beginners dry. The simple products take months to source. Amazon changes its rules constantly. A single supplier issue can wipe out a whole month of progress. So for a parent who wants to make income from home without burning their sanity into the ground, this is not the path that gets you quick wins. So here's my honest conclusion. If you have capital, time, and the mental bandwidth for a complex business, Honest FBA is legit, and it's a real program that can make you money in time. If you're a mom or dad who wants something simple, creative, low risk, and realistic for your family's lifestyle, Children's Book Publishing Formula is the way better Amazon path. It's faster, it's lighter, it's easier, it's more parent friendly, and it's a digital product business you can do with your kids, something FBA will never be able to offer you. If you want to see my full review of Children's Book Publishing Formula, what's inside, how it works, what you can realistically earn, and how parents like us are using it to build real passive income, watch my next video. That's where I break it all down. Or if you want to skip all that and just watch the webinar that takes you directly to where you can purchase it, I will link it in the description below. Thanks for watching. Leave me a comment. I always try to reply to them personally.